Hello everybody and welcome aboard Rocksteady Catamaran sailing vessel. Today we're going to show you the best way to operate a Jabsco marine toilet. Let's go see what we got. So this is the basic unit. There really isn't that much to it. You have a switch that can go in two directions and a pump. Now I'm going to demonstrate to you in the real world how to use this toilet. Don't worry, it's just oatmeal. So when you start using the marine head, you'll find that the switch is over into the dry bowl selection, which is where it should always be left when you're finished using it to prevent water from coming back into the toilet. Especially with number 2, it's smart to moisten the bowl a little bit, move the lever over to the wet bowl configuration, get a couple of pumps so you can see the water coming in. Then as you do your business, it's often smart to use the dry bowl selection to take the bulk of the material out, switch it back to the wet bowl selection to finish removing all the foreign material, and then finish up by evacuating the material in the dry bowl selection. As opposed to the use of a normal toilet, we never put toilet paper inside our Jabsco twist lock marine head. Instead, we use a doggy poo bag and whatever form of toilet paper you would like to utilize. Once you've used your toilet paper of choice, simply place it inside the doggy bag, seal it up for future use, and place into a proper waste facility. It's really quite easy.